Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6x and let me share with you how to activate automatic software updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll all the way down to find the option System and Update. Then let's tap on Software Update at the top and choose 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Here we've got the option Auto Update, so just tap on it. And here we've got 2 options which you need to pay attention to, let's say. So first of all, the Auto Download. Let's tap on it. It should be set on Wi-Fi. If you've got it on Do Not Allow or Turn Off, simply tap on Wi-Fi. I do not recommend tapping on mobile data or Wi-Fi and mobile data because it may cause some different additional charges because of the files. I mean, they are quite large if they are associated to the update, and downloading them over the mobile data might be quite costly, I would say. So just make sure that it is set on the Wi-Fi. Next, we've got the option Auto Update Overnight, which is quite important. So just tap on this switcher to make it active. And thanks to it, your device will not only download the updates, but also they will apply them automatically overnight. Usually it will take around 2 or 5 a.m., I mean between those hours. Thanks to which your device is not really in use, and your device will be able to simply apply the update. So highly recommend to take care of those 2 options to activate automatic software update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.